Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the FEMAP solution for a one-dimensional roller supported beam subjected to moment. This side is fixed, this side is roller supported. A moment is applied. These are the dimensions. All the other data are given here. Launch the software. Go to preference. Go to geometry model. Make sure that it's in meters. Next, user interface, reset diagram, geometry, curve line, project points. First point is 0, 0, 0. Next point is 4, 0, 0. Give OK. Once again give OK. Next one is 600. Give OK. Cancel. Now model define material. Since both the element have a same material property, we will define only one material. I will give it name as M1. Its Young's modulus value is 200 E9 and Poisson's ratio is 0.33. Give OK. Model properties. I'll give property 1. Both have the same cross section and because of that, and same material also because of the same property. So need to define only one set is. So I'll give the property name as P1. Material is M1. Element property type is beam. Give OK. Then shape, it's a circular. Radius, from the EI value we can calculate the radius. It is equal to 0.126 meter. Give OK. So you can cross verify with these values. Give OK. Cancel. Now we have to go for mesh control, size along curve, select all. Give OK. You can give one element for each one. Here one element here. So the value is 1. Give OK. Cancel. Mesh, geometry, curve. We will select the first one. Give OK. The property is P1. OK. So value 0, 0, 0. Here 0. 1, 0. OK. Same way, go for second one, curve. Select the second element. OK. All are same. Give OK. Here it should be 0 and it should be 1. Give OK. Now we have to join this. There are two nodes at this point. We have to combine them. Go to File, Tools, go to Check Coincident Nodes. Give OK. OK. Now we have to define the constraints. Nodal constraint. So I'll give name as C1, constraint 1. Give OK. Select that node where we need to apply. So it is a fixed one. So okay, by mistake I have selected a load. Actually it should be constraint. So model, constraint, nodal, constraint 1 or fixed one constraint, any name we can give OK. So it is a fixed constraint. Give OK. One more constraint we need to give here. So select that one. Give OK. It's a roller kind. So what we want to do is except RZ, check all other constraints, give OK, cancel. Now we have to apply the loads. It's a point load, sorry, it's a moment. So for that model load, we have to apply moment load at this nodal point. Select that node. Okay, so we are going to apply the moment. It is in a negative direction, so it is mz. So untick mx my, and the mz value is minus 300 E3. Okay, so we have applied the moment also. Now we have to analyze it. Analysis, new analysis, it is static analysis, give OK, analyze, wait for the result. So results are converged, give continue, press F5. Deform beam diagram, deformed, click this one. First we need a T1 translation, sorry, T2 translation. T2 translation, give OK, OK. So undeformed view, so this is the value. Same way, press F5, deform. We need R3 rotation, R3 rotation, OK, OK. So this is the final value.